realize that every one of us has the power to manifest. In fact, the teachings of truth are that we are manifesting all the time. Just look at our life. Look at your life, look at my life, and recognize that whatever we have in our life, we have attracted, we've drawn to us. See, that's the difference between the teaching of truth and being a victim of life. There are many people out there who think that they just believe in luck. They believe in chance. They believe, oh, that person's successful because they're lucky. Or I wish I were lucky, or just happened to be. And that's not what we teach. We teach that life is consciousness. That you and I are part of this one universal consciousness that's everywhere present. And because it's everywhere present, it's also a part of us. We're an expression of it. And just like that universal consciousness, according to the ancient teachings, that consciousness manifests as energy, which is creating everything. Manifesting is everything, including you and me. And you and I are co-creators with that presence. And so we are always attracting, creating according to our consciousness. Now, there are things in our life that we wish were different, probably. We attract some things that we think, I attracted that. I don't remember thinking about that. Well, we may not remember thinking about it, but our consciousness obviously was open to it somehow. And the good news is that if we are manifesting our life, then we have a choice, and we can manifest and raise our consciousness and manifest more of the good that we want to experience in our life. And that is a very important message. So accept the fact that you have the power to manifest. In fact, you are manifesting. The question is, are you manifesting in the way you'd like to manifest? Are you manifesting the good that God has prepared for you from the foundations of the world? That's what we're talking about. Do you feel worthy of the good that wants to come forth in your life? Do you feel worthy? Say, yes, I feel worthy. Yes, I feel worthy, Justin. When I look back at my life, I felt worthy. I didn't question, do I deserve this? No, I just assume if there's a God, then that God wants good for me. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.